Okay, in this video, I will teach you how to graph a linear equation using slope-intercept form, no? Now, we have several ways of graphing a line. Meron tayong table of values using x and y intercepts. But in this topic, we will focus on using slope-intercept form. Now, ano ba yung slope-intercept form, no? Let us compare it with the standard form. Notice that in standard form, yung x and y variable natin nasa left side at yung constant nasa right, no? Whereas in slope-intercept form, y is isolated on the left side of the equation. So parang nag-solve ka lang for y, no? Now, m is your slope and b is the y-intercept, no? So that is the slope-intercept form of the equation of a line, okay? Okay, so let's now have an example. Graph the line 3x plus y equals 2. Now notice that the equation is in standard form, no? ax plus by is equal to c. So first step is to transform this equation to slope-intercept form, which is of the form, gaya na sinabi natin kanina, y is equal to mx plus b. Okay? So, how do we do this? Yun lang, just solve for y, no? Kasi nga, ganun yung slope-intercept form natin, just solve for y. Now, how do we solve for y? You are given 3x plus y equals 2. All we have to do is to transpose 3x to the right side of the equation, di ba? Kasi we need to isolate the y variable. Yun yung slope-intercept form natin eh. Okay? So, y now is equal to negative 3x plus 2. And that's it, no? Naka-slope-intercept form na tayo. Naka-isolate na yung y. It's as simple as that. Okay? Now, the next step is to identify your m and your b. M is equal to negative 3. So, ibig sabihin kung anong coefficient ni x, yun na yung m mo. And b is equal to 2. So, ano nga ibig sabihin ng b equals 2? The b is the y-intercept, no? That's the point where the line crosses the y-axis. And therefore, b equals 2 means that it is the point 0, 2. Okay? So, now we are ready to graph. Gawa tayo ng rectangular coordinate system. Okay? We have the y-axis and the x-axis. Now, let us put some scale. Okay? So, maybe mga 4 lines, pwede na. Okay, so let us now plot the point 0, 2. So this is the point 0, 2. Now, a slope of negative 3 can be written as negative 3 over 1, no? Because remember the definition of a slope, you see, it is equal to the rise over the run. So, a slope of negative 3 means we're gonna rise 3 units down and we're gonna run 1 unit to the right. Okay, so 3 units down, 1, 2, 3, and 1 unit to the right. Okay, so ganun lang yun, ano? Since negative yung ating numerator, bumaba tayo through units downward, no? Kung positive yan, aakyat tayo. Okay, and then we connect those 2 points and that would be it, no? Yan na yung graph ng equation ng line natin. Okay? Okay, let's have another example. Graph the line 2x minus 3y equals 6. Again, the equation is in standard form. So we need to transform this into the slope-intercept form. So again, how do we do this? Just isolate the y variable. So we need to transpose 2x to the right side of the equation. May iwan si y, no? So negative 3y is now equal to, dahil tinranspose natin, magiging negative 2x plus 6. Okay? And then what do? We divide both sides by negative 3, no? To solve for y. Okay? So we have Now, y is equal to negative over negative is positive. So we have 2/3 x. Okay. And 6 divided by negative 3 is negative 2. So y now is equal to 2/3 x minus 2. And that's it, no? So naka-slope intercept form na tayo, no? So all we have to do now is to identify our m and our b. Now the coefficient of x is 2/3, therefore m is 2/3. And the constant term is negative 2, therefore b is negative 2, which corresponds to the point 0, negative 2, di ba? That is our y-intercept. Okay? So now we are ready to graph again. Okay, let's make a rectangular coordinate system. Okay, so let us put some scales. So maybe uh, again 4 lines would be enough. Okay, so let us now plot the point 0, negative 2. So this is the point 0, negative 2. And slope of 2/3 means we're gonna rise 2 units up and we're gonna run 3 units to the right. Okay, so dito po babagsak yung ating point. And then we connect those 2 points and that would be it. Ganun lang po siya kadali. Okay?